I'm no kidding. I'm serious physical injuries.
Ma'am, unfair naman ata yan. Nagbabayad naman kami ng tuition dito sa school, ah.
Yes, you pay. But don't worry. Your money will double. Okay?
Tung, lakad mo naman ako. Oo, pare.
Class, quiet! Quiet! Quiet. Stop it! Class, I want you to meet Mr. Webster Shakespeare Kobangbang, ang inyong ikalabintatlong teacher sa English sa semester na ito.
13? Oh, that's my lucky number.
Mr. Kobangbang, this is your class, Section X.
Letter X? That's the last letter in the alphabet. How are you, beautiful people? As I see saying, I'm Webster Shakespeare Kubambang. I'm graduating in English. I'm teaching you speaking correct English. So that when you're graduating, you are honored speaking English composition.
Excuse me, Miss Butukoy.
Yes.
Ano nga huli yung ituturo ni Mr. Salagubang?
Correction please. Kubangbang, not Salagubang.
Pareho na rin ho yun. Salagubang at Kubangbang. Ang tanong ko na lang ho, sagutin nyo.
Yes. I'm teaching you correct speaking English in this classroom.
Ha? Ibig niyo sabihin, kayo magtuturo ng English dito? Na, you must be kidding.
No, I'm no kidding. I'm serious physical injuries.
Ma'am, unfair naman ata yan. Nagbabayad naman kami ng tuition dito sa school, ah.
Yes, you pay. But don't worry. Your money will double. Okay?
Yan ang mga parusa sa inyo. Palibhasa mga salbahe kayo, kaya wala tayong makuhang matinong teacher.
Just a moment, Miss Butukoy. What is the meaning of your statement of account on me? That is not flexible.
Huwag mo na akong tanungin. Dahil ayoko makasakit ng damdamin ng aking kapwa. By the way, class, this is my nephew.
Hey!
From Nagasaki, Japan,
Hey!
Sashimi Motokoi.
Wow, pare. Japoks. Pare, baka member ng Yakuza yan.
Bilangin niyo daliri. Baka kulang.
Alam ninyo, siya'y makakasama ninyo dito sa klase at ayokong mababalitaan na siya'y inaapi ninyo, lalo na kayong tatlo. Sapagkat nakita nyo naman ang pamangking ko, mukhang walang kamuang-muang.
Ohayo gozaimasu.
Oh, bakit hindi kayo tumayo at magbow?
Ma'am, si Aiza lang nagbabaw.
Piloso po kayo talaga, no? Sa Japan, pag ini-introduce ang isang tao, nagbabaw. Tanda ng paggalang.
Hey.
Kayo talaga, mga utak ninyo. Oy, Butike, tumayo ka dyan.
Ma'am? Hey! Hey!
Ikaw naman kasi, baw ka ng baw. Diyan ka. Malabo yung mata mo. Diyan ka. Sir, kayo na po ang bahala sa inyong klase. At good luck and good riddance.
Thank you. Thank you for introductory prize. So, class, listen. We now to be in concentrating way of studying because English speaking is more important to all of us. That's why we are here to learn how to speaking in English.
You want para?
And for the first time,
Okay
I would like to calling the attending class. So you and I will take a recess first. Okay? Who done that?
Sir, lamok! Di ba si Jimmy?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. In Philippines, murami ramok na eh.
Okay. You are all acquitted. Sorry.